How to recover old Tumblr account. Hey guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today I will show you that how can you recover old Tumblr account. So let's get started. On this process, at first you'll have to open any browser on your system. Alright, so after you open the browser, in the search field you'll have to type for Tumblr account recovery, and after you search it, you'll be able to find the official Tumblr account recovery help center. So simply you have to click on this option. Alright, so from this Tumblr account recovery, you'll have to scroll down and go the options like contact us. So simply click on this. Alright, so from this section, at first you'll have to choose a category for the support. So on the category section, you'll have to choose for account access. Alright, so after you choose in account access, you'll have to just provide the more details for your lost an account to the Tumblr contact support team. So from there, you'll have to just explain your problem in briefly, like how you lost your account on Tumblr. So you have to just provide it, and after that, you'll have to just attach your attachment like something your screenshot or some pictures of your Tumblr account. And after you provide the attachment and screenshot on this, you'll have to just move with the sections like relevant blog. So simply from your you'll have to just provide a relevant name for your blog. So after you provide the blog, you'll have to just again go this section account email, and on the account email section you'll have to just provide the valid email address. That email address link with your Tumblr account, although you can also give another email id. So you have to just give a valid email id from here, and after you done it, you'll have to just check these options like I'm not a robot, and after you check and verify with this consent from here, you'll have to just click on this next option, and after you click on this next option, your report or request will submit it to Tumblr contact support, and from there they might be review your problem, and from there they might provide you some guidelines or procedure to recover your old Tumblr account, and from there you can easily recover your Tumblr account. So this is the process. Hope you found this video helpful to you, and please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.